Oh shit. This looks dangerous. Okay, watch this. You're missing it. I don't know what to do. Oh my god.
This just looks like a terrible idea. This Jeep is attempting to cross the river during a full-blown rainstorm. And if they make one mistake like that,
Yeah, no, I don't think we're gonna do that.
it'll be game over. Look at how powerful that river is. The thing is, with rain, the flow of water can immediately increase out of nowhere, making this just, I mean, I don't know why they're doing this, but hey, you know, let's just watch along. Maybe a change of mind, you can still go back, man. Or not.
Abort.
Abort.
I think they're gonna abort.
Abort. We're aborting.
This just could go terribly wrong, I mean.
You going again?
Wow. Oh my.
You got that on camera?
Yeah.
We'll go around.
Is he getting sucked in? I think he's out.
Yeah, I can't handle that.
There you go. Wow. Well done.